On to question 6. The diagram below shows a triangular-based pyramid with base ADC. Edge BD is perpendicular to the edges AD and CD. They've denoted that on the diagram. You're given a number of values. AC is 28.4, AB is x, BC is x plus 2, ABC is 0.667, that's ABC, and BAD is equal to 0.611. Often, the values they choose to give you will be good hints for what you need to do. And you're asked to calculate AD. So the easiest way for me to calculate AD will be using my right-angled triangle ABD. Because I know my angle BAD, I know my hypotenuse x, and I want to find AD. So that'd be nice and straightforward. I have my adjacent, I have my hypotenuse, so cosine BAD is equal to my adjacent AD over my hypotenuse x. So AD is equal to x times cosine BAD, which is 0.611. So all I need to do now is actually find x. I know that in triangle ABC, I know all three of my sides, 28.4, x and x plus 2, and I also know an angle. ABC is 0.667. So I can use my cosine rule in order to find my value of x. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So 28.4 squared is equal to x squared plus x plus 2 squared minus 2 times x plus 2 cosine 0.667. So this is going to be a complicated equation. I'm going to have quadratics with unusual terms. So I'm just going to use the equation solver on my GDC. In order to do that, though, I do need my equation to be in the form f of x equals 0. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I have x squared plus x plus 2 squared minus 2x, x plus 2 cosine 0.667, and then minus 28.4 squared equals 0. Now my GDC can fix all of my problems here. I go into menu, I go into equation, and I go into solver on F3. I just type my equation in. X squared plus brackets x plus 2 squared minus 2x brackets x plus 2 times cosine 0.667, and that's the precision you're given that value to, minus 28.4 all squared. It asks me for a lower and upper bound and where I want my roots to be located. All fine. I click solve, and it gives me that x is equal to 42.2822 and so on. So x is equal to 3SF 42.3. And therefore AD, using my result from earlier, is equal to 42.3 times cosine 0.611. So I go back to my normal calculator. I have 42.3 times cosine 0.611 to give me AD is equal to 34.6 centimetres to 3SF. Looking at my mark scheme for this, I get 1 mark for using cosine rule in any way, 1 mark for using that cosine rule to find x, or to find what AB is. I get 2 marks just for the value of x itself, then some approach to find AD, right angle trig, and then finally the value for AD being correct. And that's another 6 marks sorted.